What's going on YouTube? Mase The Barber here with my first video. I'm an 18-year-old barber from Montreal, Canada. Been cutting for about 4 years now. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a high skin fade tutorial with the beard fade and the beard lineup. Hope you guys enjoy, hope you guys learned something new. Without further ado, let's hop right into the video.
Mase The Barber.
Alright, so before starting, I just wanted to say that this is my way of fading. Not everyone fades the same. So yeah, this is just how I like to do it. And let's get it started. What I start off by doing is giving him a number 4 all around. I want to do that to make sure that I have a clean canvas to work with. So right after that, I take my wall seniors and do the first guideline. You want to make sure that the line is clean and even because it's the base of your fade. And if you have a nice guideline, nice first guideline, you're gonna have a nice all-around fade. What I do next is I take my trimmers and clean up all the hairs that the wall seniors didn't pick up. And then after that, I take my foil shavers to get rid of the hairs that the trimmer didn't pick up. What you're going to notice is that the foil shaver will create another line, so you want to go ahead and erase that line with your trimmers. Just flip your trimmers over and just keep going at that line and it'll eventually erase itself. My camera ended up shutting off for this part of the fade, but basically what you do next is that you take your clippers, you just open up the lever all the way, you go up about an inch, and then you start playing with the lever. So you put it halfway, hit the line, close it a little, hit the line, and keep playing with it and it'll erase itself. Next, what you're going to want to do is take your number 1 guard with the lever all the way closed. You go up about another inch, and then you take the half guard, so the little gray guard, open the lever up, go up to that line, and then put the lever halfway and try to get rid of that line. Next, what I do is I take the number 1 guard open, create another inch guideline, put the lever halfway, get rid of that line, and then the same thing goes with the 1.5 guard. So you're going to want to open that up, go up another inch, and then erase the line by playing with the lever. This right here is probably the trickiest part of this haircut, is getting rid of the little bridge that you created from your fade to the top of the hair. So what I do is I take the number 3 guard to try to lighten it up a little bit, and then I take the number 2 guard open and really flick out the line and try to make it as light as possible so that it creates the whole blend and finishes it off. As you could probably tell, my client doesn't have the straightest hairline. You do not want to back it up because that'll just make the haircut look funny. What you want to do is just trim the edges of the hair, make it look straight and even, and that's probably the most you can do. I missed the part of me blending in the beard, but basically you're going to do the same steps you did for the fade, just backwards, and create a downwards fade. Next, what you're going to want to do is just line up the beard. So basically you hit the back of the line, make that sharp, hit under the neck, make it look sharp, and then I go ahead and take the razor and just start doing the top of the line. Don't forget to hit the line up with the razor. The razor is really going to make the line pop and bring the whole haircut together. So there you have it, guys, a high skin fade tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys learned something new. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with some more content soon.